What's up, y'all? So I got another video. I've been on a roll lately. So this set is gonna be a vertical ombre. It's gonna be all acrylic, and I'm not gonna talk again a lot during this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and come in and out on key parts of it. So I've already prepped the nail, applied the nail tips, cut the nail tips down. I'm using a straight edge nail clipper to cut the excess nail so I don't have a lot of filing to do. I use a 80 grit or 80-100 grit nail file, and yeah, just go ahead and continue to watch, and I'll step in when I feel like I need to explain certain parts of the video. Enjoy. Alright, I'm back. So in this part of the video, I don't really show it, but I do go over the natural nail with dehydrator, and I use a primer. So I kind of cut that out. I just showed me putting on the dehydrator, but I do go back over it with the primer, and they're both by me a secret. So anyways, to start this look off, I went ahead and applied a clear acrylic to the nail to give it a flatter surface, as well as making sure that the colored acrylic doesn't stain the natural nail. And I'm using this color, it's called Viagra Blue by Nail by John. So the vertical ombre is kind of like gonna be different colors, so it's not gonna just be two colors like a traditional ombre or three colors. It's gonna be a mixture of blue, purple, pink, and I think that's it. Blue, purple, and pink. So it reminded me of cotton candy. So anyways, I went in with the blue, and then I'm gonna encapsulate that with some clear, and then I'm gonna go on and do two different colors on the what is that called, the ring finger. Okay, so starting off with that clear acrylic, that's going to be by me a secret. I'm doing a very, 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 very thin layer. I'm not making it thick at all because I am coming back over it with colored acrylic, and you do not want the nails to be super, super thick because then you have to encapsulate the colored acrylic. So this one is going to be half blue, which I use on the pinky, and then it's going to be half purple. So I'm just picking up small beads. I'm working with small beads at a time just so I can make sure that I'm not making it too bulky. So here I'm just picking up small beads, placing them down, smoothing it out, and then I'm going to come in with my second color. Okay, so now I'm coming in with this purple, and this is by Mia's Secret, and this is the purple that everybody hates because for some reason this purple has a lot of clear in it, so it makes it really patchy and looks like it's translucent. But for some reason I like it. It works for me. I'm not, I don't really trip off of that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't look bad in my eyes. So anyways, I'm going over that. I'm going over that side of the nail, or the other side of the nail, with the purple Mia Secret acrylic powder, and I'm just kind of blending that into the blue that I just laid down. And then I'm going back over it again with the blue, just so I can get it to not be such a harsh line. You want it to be as you want them to fade into each other. So that's why I'm going back over it with the different color, so I can make sure that everything is blended in together. So then I'm just gonna encapsulate, well, I didn't encapsulate that. I'm gonna come back and encapsulate it, but I do encapsulate all the nails with clear. So same thing, going in with the clear acrylic, making it, or putting down a very, very thin layer of it. Now I'm going in with the purple on purple on one side and then pink on the other side. So I don't know if you can see the pattern. You start off with the color that was to the left. Yeah, I knew that wasn't gonna be able to work. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to explain that right, but anyways, you get the gist of it. Okay, so I'm going in with the purple on the left side of the nail, and then on the right side I'm gonna do a pink. So the pink that I'm using is also by Mia Secret, but I mixed this with a little bit of white. I was trying to make it as light as I could, but it's still a little bit brighter than what I had anticipated, but it worked anyway. So again, I'm coming in with that and going over the other side of the nail, and then I'm trying to blend that in with the purple. So I think I'm gonna come back over the nail again with some purple, just so I can make sure that that transition isn't as harsh and it blends together really nicely. So I guess I just noticed that I forgot to encapsulate that with the clear. So like I said, I just encapsulate each nail with the Mia Secret clear acrylic. Alright, again, going in with the Mia Secret clear acrylic, making a very thin layer of it, and then I'm coming in with the pink on the left side of the nail. Any second now. So the pink on the left side of the nail, and then on the right side I'm going to do, what color do I do? Oh, I'm sorry you guys, this is gonna be all pink. So this finger is gonna be all pink. I was trying to get a lighter pink on the right hand side of the nail, but I didn't have a lighter pink, so you'll see me like put a bead down thinking it was gonna be lighter, but it was the same, literally the same color as the pink that I put on the left. So here you're gonna see me add it right about now. So I'm like, yeah, that's the same color, Monty. What are you doing? So anyways, instead of me I couldn't fix it at that point. I wasn't able to do anything about it. So that nail I just left all pink, and it all turned out to be perfectly fine. She was fine with it. But I do a ombre on the thumb. Alright, one last time. So, thin layer of clear acrylic, thin, because like I said, you're adding colored acrylic on top of that, and then you're encapsulating that colored acrylic, so you don't want the nail to be bulky. I'm using the same pink that I've used on the two prior nails. So I'm using small beads. That is key. You don't want to take over the whole nail with that one color, since you are doing two different colors on the nail, and it is a little bit different than doing the regular or traditional ombre, because it's just different. So putting that on the nail, smoothing it out, and then I'm gonna use that blue by Nail by John, which is in the color Viagra Blue, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the right side of the nail, and I'm making sure to use small beads and smooth that out and blend it into the pink. So after I do that, of course, I'm going to encapsulate that with the clear acrylic, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other hand. So I'm gonna let you guys continue watching, and then I will be back towards the end of the video. Alright, so after it's all said and done, you're gonna go over the nails with a gel top coat, and I'm using Candy Paint by Nail by John. I'll leave the link to his nail or his gel polish or his website in my description for you guys. So yeah, just go over the nails with the gel top coat, and then you're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. So since I'm not perfect, I'm just going in with a cleanup brush and I'm getting any gel polish that may have gotten on the skin, and then I'm wiping off the sides of the nail and the free edge just in case any gel polish ran off, where if it cured under the light, it would have the nail lose its shape. So here is the final look. These colors blended together really well. It kind of reminds me of cotton candy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. I am out of here.